This is the elevator here at the River Edge Motor Lodge in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. See, it used to be an Otis Lexan, but crap go ruin the call buttons. You can see it used to have a Otis logo there. Still's the Otis interlocks. You can see it as a very, very, very 70s-ish cab. But unfortunately, Thyssenkrupp did modernize it. See, older Thyssenkrupp traditional fixtures, ADA phone. You can still hear the relays click, and the motor's original. This is just a slap-on mod. Going up?
Yep.
Which floor?
2. Open sesame.
Have a nice day.
Good day.
I'm just doing this as a hobby, that's all.
Okay.
I'm just an elevator guy. Alright. Shut the door. We're gonna go back down to 1. We just stopped. Oh, it didn't even open on 3. That was weird. Well, anyways, there it goes. That's gonna be it.